Insane speeds, jaw-dropping capacities. DDR5 has done nothing but shatter boundaries, and it's still on a tear. The memory performance you can achieve today would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. But this memory standard also brought along many changes. DDR5 memory modules now include circuitry to handle functions that used to be managed by your motherboard and CPU. DDR5 typically needs more cooling, too, decreasing your margins for error when it comes to tuning. Complicating things is the current memory market. Supply is tight. Builders are making do with kits they might have passed over in previous years. All of that means you might need a powerful ally in your corner ready to help with your memory tuning. That's what you get with an ASUS motherboard. Beyond their hardware-level support for enhanced memory performance, many ASUS motherboards give you access to BIOS tools that help you tackle the expected and the unexpected challenges of building with DDR5. Before we take a closer look at motherboard features, let's take a step back for a moment. What exactly changed with DDR5? Why is it more complicated to tune than previous generations? First, the higher data rates and per module capacities made possible with DDR5 also present some engineering challenges. Requirements for signal transmission have become much more stringent. The allowable signal integrity margin is much smaller than before, and that holds whether we're talking about motherboard traces, DRAM devices, or the CPU's integrated memory controller. Your hardware needs to be ready to step up to the plate. But that's not all. Several functions that used to be handled by your motherboard are now integrated into the memory module itself. Each DDR5 stick is a complete subsystem with its own power management and control logic, with CU DIMMs throwing clock management into the mix as well. These changes put your memory kit face to face with a villain that PC builders know all too well: heat. Thermal design is far more important for DDR5 than for DDR4. Rising temperatures can affect not only the DRAM chips themselves, but also the PMIC and clock driver. And once temperatures start to rise, performance can start to drop. When you exceed a certain temperature threshold, DDR5 will adjust frequency and voltage, and that can have a big impact on stability and performance. All told, DDR5 is a faster and higher capacity memory tech, but underlying challenges involving power delivery, clock architecture, thermal management, and signal integrity make things more complex than in the past. Getting the performance that you want at the level of stability you need might require much finer parameter tuning than before. At this point, you might be wondering why you need to do anything more with your memory than activate its memory profile. After all, that's how things worked in the DDR4 era. You grabbed a low latency kit off your motherboard's QVL, fired up the XMP or Expo profile, and you were off to the races. All of that is true today, to a certain extent. Plenty of builders have a plug-and-play experience with DDR5 memory, but the complexity of DDR5 is leaving other builders hunting for solutions. No two CPUs or memory kits are exactly the same, and those small differences can lead to system instability when you're dealing with overclocked DDR5. Rather than a one-size-fits-all memory profile, you often need parameters fine-tuned to the actual hardware in your system. And that's where your ASUS motherboard steps in. We built DIMM Fit and DIMM Fit Pro to tackle the complexity of tuning DDR5. Designed as a complement to XMP and Expo, not a replacement, these BIOS features help you find an additional bump in stability so that you can achieve sustained performance. Here's how DIMM Fit works. When you activate it in BIOS, the DIMM Fit algorithm performs a grid search on the interface signaling registers, finding hyperparameters that optimize stability for your memory kit. Because memory testing takes time, the process can take hours instead of minutes, but the entire process is fully automatic, and the parameters will be saved so they can be used in the future. DIMM Fit Pro has the same goal, but gives you more granular control over the process. In a straightforward interface, DIMM Fit Pro offers a transparent and customizable interface for optimizing memory subtimings. Instead of preset options, you'll be able to decide which items you'd like to include in the fitting process, the testing range for each parameter, the testing order, and the number of testing iterations. Since DIMM Fit and DIMM Fit Pro can consider so many different memory parameters, they're excellent for ferreting out the one setting that's causing problems with system stability. In particular, they're highly valuable for tuning voltages in a way that keeps thermals in check without surrendering performance. Experiencing system instability when you enable XMP or Expo? Try running DIMM Fit. Want to overclock your memory even higher? Use DIMM Fit in an iterative tuning process to see how far you can push your kit. At every step, DIMM Fit is there to help make sure that your PC won't just boot, but will stay stable as you game, create, and work. In a perfect world, it'd be easy to get a memory kit listed on your motherboard's QVL, enable XMP or Expo, and move on. Unfortunately, today's memory market is far from perfect. Given today's memory shortages, you might find yourself in scenarios you wouldn't have considered in the past. Maybe you're looking to install industry standard DIMMs. Perhaps you're even considering unmatched memory modules. To give you an option for boosting memory performance in these scenarios, ASUS motherboards offer ASUS Enhanced Memory Profiles, or AEMP. There are a couple variations of the technology, but the basic concept is the same. It's a memory profile solution available for kits without XMP or Expo. AEMP2 and AEMP3 are the most advanced versions, and they're available with ASUS Z890 and B860 motherboards. When you select AEMP2 or AEMP3 in your UEFI BIOS, the motherboard begins a comprehensive tuning process using preloaded memory profiles designed by our engineers, your DIMM's JEDEC profiles, your CPU, and your motherboard's memory overhead. The tuning process runs through multiple memory specs and voltages to determine the optimal level of performance and stability. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes. Seasoned PC builders know to expect the unexpected. While the odds are good that you'll have an easy time optimizing your DDR5 memory kit, the complexity of DDR5 does mean that you might need some help getting it up to speed. If you find yourself in that situation, you'll appreciate having an ASUS motherboard on hand. Whether you need an additional bump in stability, some automated assistance with extreme overclocking, or a way to coax higher performance out of industry standard DIMMs, you'll find what you need with ASUS DIMM Fit, DIMM Fit Pro, and AEMP. Want to learn more about how ASUS motherboards support your memory overclocking efforts? Follow the links below for more detailed coverage about our latest motherboards and the BIOS features they offer.